y'all, so I'm here to share some super exciting news that I couldn't wait to share with you. So this spring, starting March 19th, Stage is opening a beauty bar within their stores. As a part of celebrating their beauty bar, Stage is going to be having a beauty bash. You do not want to miss the beauty bash events. There's going to be exclusive sales, giveaways, hors d'oeuvres. There's going to be live beauty demos, and you get to meet some of your favorite beauty influencers. On March 22nd in Lafayette, Louisiana at 5 to 7 p.m. at Stage on Ambassador Caffrey, I will be there giving a live beauty demo and sharing my beauty tips and some of my favorite products from Stage's Beauty Bar. Also on March 24th in Opelousas, Louisiana from 2 to 4, I will be there as well giving live beauty demos and also sharing some of my beauty tips and favorite products from the Beauty Bar. And as if it didn't get any more exciting, anyone who attends gets a coupon for 50% off of the entire store for Easter weekend. I know you want that spring dress. So you do not want to miss out on the beauty bash. I definitely look forward to meeting you guys. I know I have a lot of supporters in Lafayette, in Opelousas, because guess what? I'm from there. So if you're not there, there is no excuse. I don't even want to hear it. You have to be there. I have to meet you there, and we have to mingle, chat, and have some fun. Be sure to RSVP for the events. I will leave the links down below in the description box for you to RSVP. So I can't wait to meet some of you guys, take some pictures, like I said, eat some good food, have some fun, shop around. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you at the beauty bash. Peace.